What's up, Homer? Welcome back again, finally with me, Putra, on the Homemade Studio channel. Finally, guys, I can back again to you in this channel, and after a couple of months, I'm not uploading any video because I need to work. I need to work to buying some couple of tools like this camera that you watch right now and in this video, and yeah, for level up my content to make it more good content. And yeah, I think it's gonna be worth it, so that's why I'm not uploading any video. And yeah, in this video, guys, we're gonna be learn how to something like, not exactly same, uh, something like Avenger Infinity War effect, like when they turn into dust, like when Peter Parker turned into dust. Yeah, that's one. That is the effect that we try to recreate, but not exactly the same because it's just the inspiration of it. And yeah, it's just exactly like the video that you watched before. It's not similar, right? But it's kind of close. And with not take a lot of your time, guys, let's jump into the tutorial. Let's go. Yeah, the first thing that you need to do, guys, in this case is uh, open your browser and just go at the mixamo.com. Just choose the motion that you want, so motion capture that you want. But if you want to make it more more customable, you can maybe just choose the quick magic that I've been showing you on the past video. It's just a couple months ago. And because we just need to make it more simple, we need to just use this mixamo, write it, die, just like that. And if you guys want to using quick magic, you need to just open the link on the bottom and just copy the code that already there, and yeah, just enjoy it. And you also help me to make it more content like this. And yeah, back again to the video for this die animation. I think I'm gonna be just choose this one, some night die. I don't know, maybe he got something on his chest. Yeah, he just died like that. I think this one is pretty cool, so I think I need to download it just like that. And yeah, I think we need to change it as a 24 frame per second, or maybe no. I want to make it some slow motion, that's why I need to just choose this 18 frame per second, because Blender in a basic setting was 24 frame per second. Yeah, we just choose this frame per second. It's gonna be make the effect like slow motion. I'm so sorry because it was a rain, if you can hear any thunder. And yeah, just the format is FBX, and the skin with skin. And yeah, just like that, and just keyframe reduction, you just make it still none, and just click download. And after the download is done, let's back again on the Blender. And here we on the Blender, and just select everything with A and just click delete. And you just need to go on the file, guys, just choose import and just choose FBX, just like that, and go to where you place the motion capture that you download. And in this case, mine is on the downloads, and just choose the name of it and just click import. And here we go, we already have this character. And after that, after we having that, we need to just play with the character, not the bone. So that's why we need to hide the amateur. And after that, we need to go on the modifier. And on the modifier, we need to just choose physics and just choose explode. Just like that. And after we doing it like this, and we need to just add some particle. And after we add some particle, we need to go at the render, just open render, and just don't forget to just change the render as from hollow to none, and nothing is going to happen. The reason for that is because we need to put the modifier of this particle from the bottom into top of the explode modifier, just like that. Now it's gonna be doing it like this. Reason is why it's just falling down, not falling up like the video that you watch. Is we're not adding any wind on it, So that's why we need to shift A and just add some in on force field. Just rotate it a little bit on the y-axis. Just put it over here and go at the Y view. Get more simple. Put it over here and just drag it up a little bit. Maybe just rotate the winds play, and yeah, now we have it. And after that, we need to add another wind, guys. I think we need to add some bits. And I think we need to make it the physics as strength is 5. Size is 18. Having some bits. Dying. And if you want to control where is the character turn into dust or the particle or anything, just select this character, go back at the particle, and for the start frame, it will make a finish 30 is good. And for the timeline, character will be the particle at the frame 30. Like that, we have it. And yeah, I think you and I have this same problem. The particle is just ending over here. We use that is at the modifier and just uncheck the dead. The dead is a place where the particle is ending. So just uncheck that. That we no longer having that issue anymore. Character, the particle is disappearing. Okay. After we just doing that, we need to go particle again, I think. And I think I need to just drag it off the lifetime random one. Just like that. And maybe if you want to add some floor, just need to add massive A, just scale it up. You know, the reason why we're doing adding some pen because you want to make it some VFX and want to edit maybe on the real life, you're not gonna be having some flawed particle always, guys. You need to, maybe touching the grass or touching the floor or anything, the soil or anything, just like that. Just click E and at the Z-axis, like that, maybe a little bit up. Just click Control and E, some bubble, enough, and a couple of it. Yeah, back again, just right click, change auto smooth, and just like that. We need to add another physics simulation as a collision. By doing that, the particle is not going to be going under the core. Just like that. Much cool is that? Just die and disappear. That's awesome, is it? And yeah, maybe you don't like this pixelized character and maybe you want to make it more cool, more creepy. You need to just select this character and yeah, just to make it more creepier, you can add modifier 2D and yeah, make the character having soft cuts. And yeah, maybe you having this like issue, and the reason for that is because it's just too heavy to render it like that to previewing this effect to happen. So if you don't want it, you just need to uncheck this and just click render, but let this button is still blue render the whole animation, and you will no longer have that issue because it's gonna be affect the only render and not the preview. But if you just check this computer and just I don't know this button, I don't know what it is called, guys. It's gonna be show up at the preview. So just we don't need it. Just need to add it on the render, the finished render, final render. So we just let it like this. And yeah, I think that's it, guys. That is the whole tutorial that I can show to you. And don't forget to click like, subscribe, and maybe write some comment, ask me anything. maybe I can make that as idea to make another content in the future. So don't forget, guys, your mind is the only limit. And goodbye.